Shh, you don't want no smoke. Chop a nigga toe, playing any money mode. Playing with the bin, 100K in my road. He was thirsty, he was living, so I service and foes on the money, cause I like the way it's done. My ass so fat that a nigga keep coming. Big break in my bag, that's 100 on the tag.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do the wet look. So I went ahead and washed my hair with conditioner because I just washed it like last week. So I just cold washed it. And now I'm just wetting it with my leave-in conditioner and detangling my hair.
Make this happen.
Now I'm going to take my curling cream from Cantu. I love this cream, and I'm just going to use that as slip so I can comb out my hair. I'm going to go ahead and use these two products in my hair. One to just oil my hair, and the next one just to get my hair curly. I'll link all the products that I use down in the description bar, and I'm also using Ecostyler gel to like slick all my hair down onto my roots. So yeah. To be honest guys, when I tried this wet hair look, oh my gosh, I can't speak. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just going off based on how my hair reacts to certain products, and I was just trying. I didn't watch any videos or anything to see how to do it on my hair, so it was just all trial and error. But I went a few days trying to fix it and try to make it look better, because in the bag it wasn't looking that defined, but I fixed it later on into the video. So I wanted a middle part, so I went ahead and did that, and then I just continued doing what I was doing, and then I went ahead and did my edges. So a lot of questions that might be asked is, oh, do you like the wet hair look? To be honest, I think it's cute. It can only last for a few days before my hair start getting puffy, but it's a cool hairstyle. It's perfect for summer. I would rock this in the winter too, maybe, or not, because it's gonna be really cold, but I'll try. But for now, I think it's a cute hairstyle, and the only thing I don't like with it is that it takes a lot of product, too much. So this is the next day. I was just going over it, doing back my edges, making sure that it looks fresh. But I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys see what I was doing. Okay, so I just want to say this real quick. My hair is like around 4A, like around that. And for my hair type, I think it took it well. Like the whole gel and everything, my hair took it, but I don't think my hair really likes it. And that's why I feel like it kept poofing up. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. I do want to try this hairstyle again one more time before the summer ends. So when I do, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. But for so long, I've been wanting a hairstyle I can leave my hair out. And like for my hair, because my hair is pretty short, when it's curly, it's pretty short. It's like 10 inches long. So for me, I think this hairstyle is okay, but it's not something that I would keep doing. But yeah, that's just how I feel about it. And then here my camera decided, well, my phone decided to stop recording, so next clip. So for my second attempt, this is how my hair was looking. I was getting some really cute defined curls on the ends, so I think that's cute. Like I said, this hairstyle is okay. I don't know, it's okay, it's cute, but it's just some, and then it's gonna take forever to dry, so it's just like, yeah. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.